In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms for creating question papers. This tool is fantastic for creating quizzes and tests quickly and efficiently, which makes it easy to manage assessments digitally. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Drive. Once you're there, find the New button on the left-hand side. This button is your gateway to creating a variety of documents and files. When you click on New, a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down until you see Google Forms and hover over it. You'll notice two options pop up, blank form and blank quiz. Today we're focusing on creating a question paper, so go ahead and click on blank quiz. With your blank quiz open, the first step is to give it a name. You'll see an untitled form field right at the top. Click that and rename your quiz to something that reflects its content or the class you're designing it for. Naming your form makes it easier for you and your students to find later on. Next, we need to fine-tune some settings. Click on the settings icon found at the top of your screen. Here, you'll want to toggle on Make this a quiz. This action enables additional quiz features such as automatic grading. Feel free to explore the settings further to customize how you want your quiz to behave. You can adjust things like response receipts and who can fill out the form. Once that's set, click on the Questions tab to start adding your questions. Here you'll see the Add Question button. Click it to begin. A blank question template will appear, ready for you to start typing. You can choose different types of questions like multiple choice or short answer based on your assessment needs. Just click on the drop-down menu to select the type of question you want to create. Then fill out your questions and possible answers. Now let's focus on the answer key. For each question, click on the answer key. This will allow you to specify the correct answers and assign points for each question, essential for automatic grading. Simply select the correct answers and assign a point value right there in the interface. Once your questions are set and the correct answers have been marked, you can take a moment to customize your quiz. Google Forms offers themes and color options to make your quiz visually engaging. Explore these options to find a style that fits your needs. Finally, when you are happy with everything, click on the Send button to publish your quiz. You can share the link directly with your students or embed it through an email or a class website. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to create digital question papers using Google Forms. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it simplifies your assessment process. Happy teaching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.